With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let me explain this question to you. A hollow sphere is taken as bob of a simple pendulum. This hollow sphere is filled with fine sand. There is a small hole at the bottom of this sphere through which fine sand leaks out. How does the time period of this simple pendulum alter? Discuss. And there are four options given. First decrease, then increase, first increase, then decrease, increase, remain same. Okay, so let me draw the diagram and then I'll explain. So here is the situation, sphere filled with fine sand, and effective length of this pendulum is called from this point of hinge to center of mass. This is center of mass of the hollow sphere and sand, center of mass of the system you can say. So this is called effective length of this pendulum, and time period of this pendulum is equals to 2 pi under root L upon G. This is time period of this simple pendulum. Okay, now when level of sand start falling down, then in that case center of mass, this center of mass will also fall down, and in that case length will increase. When center of mass falls down, then length will increase. In that case time period will also increase. But finally when sand comes out of this sphere, then center of mass will again come back to this initial position. That means initially center of mass falls down and then it will start moving up. That means initially center of mass will fall down, then it start moving up. Then initially length will increase, with that time period will also increase, but after some time length will start decrease and then time period will also decrease, and finally the center of mass come back to its initial position when this sphere is empty, because center of mass of this sphere is at the center point. So correct option is first increase and then decrease. I hope you understood this explanation. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.